if you're facing issues with your Need for Speed No Limits game app, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your game app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this game app. In the first method, we need to access the app info page. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. To access the app info page, just long press on it and you should see we have three options here: share, app info, and uninstall. For this, choose app info. However, if this is missing on your phone, you should see a settings gear here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Need for Speed No Limits game app. Now the first thing to do here is to go and tap on force stop. This will stop any activities that might be running on your app. Once you're done, now go to clear data here and then choose clear cache and then okay. At this point, now you'll need to restart your smartphone and then open your game app, and now everything should be okay. However, if this doesn't fix your problem for this game app, then go back to the app info page and this time around clear all data here. However, if this doesn't solve your problem, then you might want to check if we have an update for the game by going to Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone, and search for Need for Speed No Limits game app and update it to the latest version. By updating your game app, you'll be able to get the latest version and features of this app that are currently supported. However, should this not work, then, and more especially if you are experiencing issues such as crashes, that is, the game keeps on stopping each and every time you start it, then for that you'll need to uninstall your game app and then install it afresh. So by following any of these methods, now you shouldn't have any issues with your Need for Speed No Limit game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.